Hi, I am Mohammad Awais, and it's my first class about Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop is a powerful graphic design and photo editing software. It is widely used by designers, photographers, editors, and digital artists around the world. With Photoshop, we can retouch images, enhance colors, remove backgrounds, create compositions, and design professional graphics. It includes many advanced tools such as Move Tool, Brush Tool, Pen Tool, Selection Tools, Masking, Layers, Adjustment Layers, Filters, and Smart Objects. One of the most important features of Photoshop is layers. Layers allow us to edit different parts of a design separately, making the editing process flexible, clean, and professional. In today's digital world, Photoshop is used everywhere. YouTube thumbnails, logo design, posters, banners, business advertisements, social media posts, product editing, and professional portrait retouching. If you want to become a graphic designer, learning Photoshop is an essential and valuable skill.